We are very excited to expand beyond the desktop with this release to provide a connected experience for our customers with the new web and mobile companion apps. The apps are currently in beta. They are available in English to licensed users of the Elements 2023 products, and they come with 2 GB of free cloud storage. The mobile companion app is currently available as a public beta on Android and a private beta on iOS devices. For this first release, the beta apps enables you to upload your photos and videos to the cloud. Once uploaded, you can then access them in your Elements desktop products to do more creative and sophisticated editing. The web companion app allows you to access your media and create and share from any browser. Your cloud media automatically appears in the media window, and you can easily add media from any source. You can create multimedia slideshows and photo collages using the same templates that are available in the desktop app. And then you can share them to Facebook via email or a direct link.